Hello guys, I am M. Afroz Begum, Assistant Professor of Mathematics from Jamal Muhammad College. In this section, I am going to tell you about fuzzy logic and how to use fuzzy logic. What is fuzzy logic? Fuzzy logic is a form of many-valued logic in which the truth value of variables may be any real number between 0 and 1. It is employed to handle the concept of partial truth, where the truth value may range between completely true and completely false. Fuzzy versus crisp set. So what's the difference between fuzzy and crisp set means? Here I have some example. Will you come with me shopping? In fuzzy answer, we have 4 absolutely yes value and may not be value, may be value and absolutely no value. In this crisp set, we have only 2 values, that is yes or no. And another example for fuzzy versus crisp set is wrong honest. So in crisp set, we can say yes or no as already told, or true or false, and the value for yes or no is 1 or 2, which is called Boolean logic. And in fuzzy set, there are 4 values such as extremely honest, very honest, sometimes honest, and extremely honest. In some way, we will have a clear answer. So here, the different values given, which are called membership value. So that point is here very honest for 0.85 and sometimes honest for 0.35 and the extremely honest for 0 value. So which are called a membership value. Here the point is how clear the answer towards a particular question, and that is the beauty of fuzzy logic. Now the fuzzy logic, so how it can work. So here process given. So first is here we have to give the input and then we have to create fuzzy element, then create fuzzy sets, then create fuzzy rules, and based on these rules there will be the implementation. Then fuzzy system, finally we will get an output for the process. What's fuzzy set? First one, in classical set A, a subset A of a set X can be defined by its characteristic function A as a mapping from the elements of X to the elements of the set 0, 1. That is a function A from X to 0 and 1 and X such that the values for X is 1 to up to etc 9 and a set of value of all even number. This mapping may be represented as a set of ordered pairs with exactly one ordered pair present for each element of X. The first element of the ordered pair is an element of the set X and the second element is an element of the set 0, 1. The value 0 is used to represent non-membership and the value 1 is used to represent membership. The truth or falsity of statement X is in A is determined by the ordered pair X, A of X. So that the statement is true if the second element of the ordered pair is 1 and the statement is false if it is 0. So such as 1, 0 and 2, 1, 3, 0, 4, 1 up to etc. Similarly, a fuzzy subset A of a set X can be defined as a set of ordered pairs, each with the first element from X and the second element from the interval closed interval 0, 1 with exactly one ordered pair present for each element of X. This defines a mapping nu A between the elements of the set X and values in the interval 0, 1. The value 0 is used to represent complete non-membership. The value 1 is used to represent complete memberships. And values in between are used to represent intermediate degrees of membership. This is referred to as the universe of discourse for the fuzzy subset A. Frequently, the mapping mu A is described as function, the membership function of A, the degree to which the statement X is A is true and is determined by the ordered pair X, nu A of X. The degree of truth of the statement is the second element of the ordered pair. It should be noted that the terms membership function and fuzzy subset get used interchangeably. Here, X, 0 is stop and X, 0.2 is slow, which are membership values here given for the given properties. So medium is X, 0.4 and for first X, 0.8 and very first X, 0.1. Now we are going to see about the difference between the crisp and fuzzy set. In the crisp, suppose someone is let we takes a normalized value of running speed in range of 0 to L. Suppose speed is greater than 0.5 value, then it's considered as fast. And if speed is less than 0.5, then it's considered as slow. So here value between two crisp values, that is slow and fast only. Okay. So by defining the threshold value as 0.5. But in fuzzy, in case of fuzzy logic, we can take an intermediate value like slow, medium, fast and very fast. Here we define a fourth value set of only two values. So with fuzzy, we can define more than what we define here in this example. So for slow, 0 to 0.5, and for a medium, so 0.25 to 0.5, and for very fast, 0.75 to L, and for fast, 0.5 to 0.75. And the crisp, it has boundary, that is yes or no. But in fuzzy, boundary with a degree of memberships. So for example, slow, medium, fast, very fast. In a crisp, the set can be defined S is equal to S such that S belongs to capital X, and in the fuzzy set F is equal to S, mu of S such that S belongs to X and mu of S. And crisp set can be fuzzy, but the fuzzy cannot be crisp. So here we discuss about the fuzzy set and the fuzzy logic to understand the concept of fuzzy logic. Thank you.